Hey guys, so I'm just bringing you a really quick tutorial just showing you how I do a multicolor ombre. A really great tip that I have to give today is that I feel the best way to do an ombre is to do each nail one by one, allowing the last color to dry. That gives a really beautiful blend. So yeah, just please continue to watch the rest of the video. Thank you. Oh yeah, I wanted to just add, please disregard the eyelash in the background. For some reason, when I'm doing nails, I don't know, my eyelash is shed. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, just disregard that. And also, I know my nails are really busted, so just don't even pay attention to my nails. Just focus on the client's nails. But thank you. So after I completed my ombre, I encapsulated each nail with clear acrylic. Right here, I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't, so I'm so sorry about that. Here's how the nails came out that I did for my client. She absolutely loved her nails, and I really loved them too. So yeah, thanks for watching. Next time I'll try to upload a video showing the entire process from start to finish.